The 2025 BMW M7 emerges as a groundbreaking fusion of luxury, performance, and advanced technology, representing the pinnacle of BMW's engineering prowess. As the flagship sedan in the M division, it blends the opulent comfort expected from the 7 Series with the raw power and precision of BMW's motorsport heritage. Under the hood, the 2025 BMW M7 is powered by a twin-turbocharged 4.4-liter V8 engine paired with a mild hybrid system, producing an astonishing 750 horsepower and 750 pounds-ft of torque. This powerhouse propels the M7 from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 3.2 seconds, making it one of the fastest luxury sedans in the world while still maintaining smooth and refined power delivery. An advanced all-wheel drive system with rear-wheel bias ensures optimal traction and handling, allowing the driver to enjoy thrilling cornering dynamics without compromising stability. The exterior design of the 2025 M7 is both aggressive and elegant, characterized by its enlarged kidney grills, sleek laser headlights, and aerodynamic enhancements such as a sculpted front bumper, side skirts, and a subtle rear diffuser. The M-specific quad exhaust system not only adds to its sporty aesthetic, but also delivers an exhilarating exhaust note that changes character depending on the selected drive mode. Lightweight carbon fiber elements are subtly integrated into the bodywork, improving both performance and efficiency. Riding on 21-inch forged alloy wheels wrapped in high-performance tires, the M7 commands presence on the road like no other dote inside. The cabin is a masterclass in craftsmanship and innovation. Luxurious merino leather upholstery, real wood and carbon fiber trims, and ambient lighting create an atmosphere of sophistication. The latest iDrive 9 infotainment system dominates the dashboard with a curved display that merges the digital instrument cluster and central control screen into one seamless unit. This setup supports BMW's most advanced connectivity features, including augmented reality navigation, 5G connectivity, and voice command with natural language processing. The rear seats are equally indulgent, offering executive lounge seating, massage functions, and a high-end Bowers & Wilkins Diamond surround sound system, turning long journeys into first-class experiences. The 2025 BMW M7 is not just about comfort and speed. It's also a technological marvel in terms of safety and driver assistance. Equipped with BMW's latest semi-autonomous driving system, it can handle highway cruising with minimal driver input, while adaptive suspension and active roll stabilization ensure that the ride remains smooth regardless of road conditions. Advanced braking systems and performance-tuned chassis components give the driver confidence during spirited driving sessions, while regenerative braking improves efficiency. In terms of sustainability, BMW has made strides by incorporating eco-friendly materials in the interior and optimizing the powertrain for reduced emissions without sacrificing performance. The mild hybrid system aids in fuel efficiency and smooth start-stop functionality, making the M7 a more responsible choice in the high-performance luxury segment. The 2025 BMW M7 stands as the ultimate expression of luxury performance sedans, offering blistering speed, unmatched comfort, and state-of-the-art technology in one stunning package. It's a car designed for those who refuse to compromise between the thrill of driving and the refinement of luxury motoring.